If your outlet has burn marks or discoloration, it is a serious sign that something is wrong and needs to be fixed fast to avoid bigger problems. So, first thing, don't just ignore those burnt spots or weird colors on your outlet because they usually mean overheating or electrical issues. Make sure to turn off the power to that outlet from your breaker box before touching anything. Next, carefully remove the outlet cover and check if the wires look damaged or melted. If you see any signs of burning on the wiring, that outlet needs to be replaced immediately. When you get a new outlet, make sure it matches the amperage and type of the old one so everything stays safe. Tighten all wire connections properly because loose wires can cause sparks and heat buildup leading to burns. After swapping it out, test the outlet with a voltage tester to confirm it's working right. If you're not confident messing with electrical stuff, calling a professional electrician is definitely the way to go. Safety first, always. One of the biggest mistakes people make with burnt outlets is ignoring the warning signs and continuing to use them, which can lead to electrical fires or permanent damage to your home's wiring. Another common problem is trying to fix it without turning off the power, which is super dangerous and can cause shocks or worse. The last issue is using the wrong replacement outlet that doesn't fit your wiring setup, causing poor connections and potential overheating again. To fix these, always cut the power before starting, replace damaged wiring if needed, and buy outlets rated for your home's electrical system. If unsure, getting an electrician involved saves headaches and keeps your home safe. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't mess around with your home repairs. For contractors, it's a solid way to get work from folks who actually need quality help on their big projects.